Hey guys, it's me Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be creating my most popular video, which is, I still don't know how to say her name, but it's Jeongyeon from Twice. I will post the original video down below so you guys can see. I'm going to be recreating that makeup look. I just want to say though, I'm going to be swapping out some products. I filmed that video 4 months ago, and so my makeup collection has grown a lot since then. So I'm just going to be using products that I feel are going to help better achieve that look. I'm not going to be going through all the products that I'm using just because, like I just said, only a couple products I'm going to be switching out and a couple products I'm going to be adding. So voiceover me will be talking about the products that I'm going to be using this time that I didn't use last time. So if I don't talk about a product, it's just because I used it in the original video, which again will be linked down below. So if you're curious, just go watch that video. I just want to say I did do my eyebrows, but again, it's just from the original eyebrow stuff I used in my last video. So yeah, I do really like that video. I just don't feel like it was as good as it could be. Like I said, I do have a lot of new makeup now that's going to help me achieve this look better. So if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, follow my Instagram, which is always down below, and subscribe, and let's get on to the video. So first I'm going in with the Too Faced Hangover RX primer that I got as a sample from Sephora, and it's just super good and it's tacky. I'll make sure your makeup stays on all day and it still gives a nice soft luminous glow. Here I'm going in with this e.l.f. hydrating primer, putting it all over my face, and again it's just good for making sure your makeup stays on all day. In the original video I didn't use primer because I didn't have it, but this time I do, so I'm just using them. So yeah. Here's just a NARS illuminator, another Sephora sample, and I'm just using it underneath my foundation like I did the last illuminator. My other illuminator I couldn't find, so I just used this one, but they work the same. Here I'm using this Ellen Tracy Correct and Conquer color correcting palette, and I'm taking this luminous pink shade and this orange red shade, taking the luminous one under my eyes to help the glow that she has, and then I'm just using the red one for my dark spots, and this is just to help even out my skin because her skin tone was even, but you will learn that in the original video. So yes. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's just as good as the last one I used. It's just so happened I ran out the last one and I really wanted to try this one. But yes, in here there was an eyelash stuck in it, so that's why I'm using the tweezers to get it out. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this, and I don't know if she's wearing concealer, but this is again just to help with my unevenness, so I look as even as she does. So yep. Going in with the Kat Von D brightening powder and the color Petal. And I'm just setting under my eyes because my under eyes crease really bad, so I have to set them. And again, it'll just help to make me look matte because she was matte but also had a glow. Again, I explained this all in the original video, so you should probably watch that first to just understand why I'm using the makeup I'm using better. But let's continue. So now I'm curling my lashes, and I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara. It's good because in the picture that I was using and the makeup look I was recreating, her lashes were quite thin, but they were long. Like, her eyelashes weren't necessarily full, and it was like her makeup artist was focused more on length as opposed to volume and thickness. So this is good for volume because the name is Mega Length. I mean, this is good for length because the name is Mega Length, so it kind of makes sense.